What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making candy yams. Ha! Let's get it. All right, you guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's go ahead and get started making these yams. First thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and get your sweet potatoes. Go ahead and clean these bad boys. This recipe calls for 5, so you're gonna need 5 of them. If you want to do 4, you can do 4, 2, 3, 6. Just depends on how many people you're trying to feed. So you want to take you some type of, this is a potato peeler. You want to go ahead and peel these. If you want to use a knife, you can use that. You can do it over the trash can. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it in this bowl right here. So we're just gonna go ahead, start peeling. Like so. I ain't gonna have y'all sit here and watch me do all these potatoes. Hey, just meet me back for the next step. All right, after you get all your sweet potatoes peeled, you want to go ahead and rinse those things off. You don't want none of that skin to get on there. So I went ahead and rinsed these things off. Now it's time to cut them. You can cut them however you like. I'll cut mine probably about 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, just straight down, straight slices. Like so. And just go ahead and finish cutting the rest of them. So I'll be right back. All right, so after you get your sweet potatoes cut, you want to get you a pot. I already got 1 stick of butter in here. I got it on low right now, so I already done melted. You want to go ahead and put 1 cup of brown sugar in there. And you just want to go ahead and mix that up. All right, you want to go ahead and add your orange. Just squeeze the juice out of it. After that, get you 1 cup granulated sugar. You want to just keep mixing this up. Next, you want to get you about 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Next, you want to get you some ground nutmeg, about 2 tablespoons. Want to get you about a tablespoon of ground spice, allspice. Then you want to get you a little bit of ground ginger. Also want to get you some vanilla extract. About 2 tablespoons. There we go. All right, after about 3 or 4 minutes, this is what it should look like. I had my temperature up just a little too much. I had to cut it down some. You know, sometimes that's how the ovens work. So it's time to go ahead and add your sweet potatoes. And you just want to go ahead and mix this up. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna keep mixing this up. Once we get it fully covered, you want to go ahead and put your top on. And we're gonna be back in about 5 minutes. We're gonna just keep mixing it up. All right.
A few minutes later.
All right, it's been about 10 minutes. This is what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and stir this up. I know one thing, it smells good in here. Good Lord. So, mind me, I'm using one hand. So let me go ahead and put this camera down. I'm gonna go ahead, finish mixing this up and put the top back on. All right, we'll be right back. All right, it's been about 27 minutes or so, and these things is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out and put them in a 9x13 cooking pan, and then we're gonna go ahead and cook some of this sauce down till it thickens up, and then we're gonna pour it on top. So catch you in a second. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and pick this up and just place it right in the pan. All right, we back to the stove. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this heat back on. As you can see, it's starting to boil. We want to try to get some of this water out of here. We want this a little thicker. This is on the runny side. So we're just gonna go ahead and let this cook down until we get to that certain consistency. So see you in a minute. All right, I let it cook for 10 minutes and then I cut the pot off, let it cool down some. So this is what we got right here. So it's time to go ahead, pour it on top of them yams. Let's go. All right, let's go ahead and pour it right over the top. Look at that right there, man. And there you have it, candy yams. Take a look at them things, man. I'm telling you, it don't get no easier than this. Look at that, beautiful. Oh yeah, I already done ate some, so you know what time it is. But that's all it is to it. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Once again, my name is Trey. This is the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. You know what time it is. It's time to eat.